Clearbrook, North Dallas, 2026 Cybertruck Beast with a PPF on it. It's called Satin Liquid Tungsten by Pure PPF. Customer brought this film to us as he found it somewhere in the web. But Pure PPF, the company is called Pure PPF. Not a bad product. This is the first time I've ever worked with them, and it turned out really well. Nobody has this color except for them. I searched for it in some other venues and couldn't find it, but let's take a look at how we do it. Unlike other people, when I wrap in the Cybertrucks, most guys will shave these edges. They'll just take their blade and cut that off. I wrap them all the way around every edge. Every edge gets wrapped in, so we don't have any issues down the road. Every edge 100% wrapped, so we can see nothing but the color of the tungsten. It goes underneath all these moldings. You won't see any stainless steel on this at all. It looks like as if it's the color the way it was painted. All these little edges fully wrapped. I don't shave anything, so when you go and get your Cybertruck looked at to be wrapped, ask if they're gonna shave the PPF off on your edges or they're gonna wrap it. I wrap every single edge 100%. All these here come off, these fender flares, and we wrap in there, no big deal. And there it is. That's pretty much it. Everything looks fantastic. The window film is 15% all the way around XR Plus by XPEL, with a 70% on the windshield, all in one section. Same with the front here. All the edges are wrapped. Nothing shaved. So that's what you want for perfection. Truck looks good. That's the first I've seen of the liquid tungsten. And there it is. So it tones the truck down quite a bit. Makes it look nice and stealthy and military type vehicle. There it is. ClearBrookNorthDallas.com, ClearBrookNorthDallas@gmail. Any questions on Brent, feel free to write. Call 940-703-8301 or 214-414-3809. Appreciate you guys watching. Any questions, let us know. Feel free to follow us, and I appreciate you guys checking out our videos. Have a good day.